Hey, crypto enthusiasts. Brian here coming at you with another explosive XRP update on this beautiful Sunday, May 11th, 2025. Welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, your #1 source for all things XRP and cryptocurrency news. Today we've got some absolutely massive news that's sending ripples through the crypto world. Pun definitely intended. XRP has surged to a 7-week high of $2.47, up 5.44% in just 24 hours. This impressive rally is being fueled by intense speculation that BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, may be preparing to file an XRP spot ETF application. Let me break down what's happening right now. The crypto market has been on fire lately, with Bitcoin touching the incredible $105,000 mark, a level we haven't seen in months. This bullish sentiment across the crypto sphere is proving particularly beneficial for XRP, which is establishing itself as one of 2025's standout performers. What's really exciting is that XRP is showing serious signs of technical strength. The daily chart is approaching what could be the first major chart signal of 2025, with the 50-day and 200-day simple moving averages converging. This potential golden cross could be extremely bullish if the 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day SMA. Similar to what we saw back in November 2024 that preceded XRP's incredible run to $3.40 in January. The BlackRock ETF speculation couldn't come at a better time. As many of you know, Franklin Templeton already has a spot XRP ETF application under review, with the decision date now pushed back to June 17th. If BlackRock jumps into the game, it would add tremendous credibility to XRP as an investment asset and potentially accelerate approval timelines. Remember what happened when the Bitcoin spot ETFs were approved in January 2024? Bitcoin's price absolutely skyrocketed. Many analysts are predicting a similar effect for XRP if these ETF applications get the green light. But that's not all that's happening in the XRP ecosystem. Ripple has been making significant moves that strengthen XRP's position. The company recently finalized its settlement with the SEC, paying $50 million to the commission, while receiving back over $75 million from escrow funds. This official end to the lengthy legal battle removes a massive cloud that's been hanging over XRP for years. In another positive development, healthcare infrastructure firm Wellgistics Health has announced plans to build an XRP treasury and implement XRP-enabled payment infrastructure. This is exactly the kind of real-world utility and adoption that XRP needs to continue its upward trajectory. Looking at the broader picture, XRP has truly roared into 2025 as a breakout crypto winner, outpacing many rivals thanks to ETF developments, regulatory breakthroughs, and Ripple's strategic $1.25 billion acquisition earlier this year. Of course, it hasn't all been smooth sailing. XRP experienced a significant dip earlier this month, falling to around $2.08 on May 6th, which represented a 7% decline over 5 days. This was attributed to several factors, including bearish technical patterns, declining network activity, macroeconomic uncertainties, profit-taking after the Q4 2024 rally, and delays in spot ETF approvals. However, the rapid recovery we're seeing now suggests that the market remains fundamentally bullish on XRP's prospects. Current price action shows support levels at the 50-day and 200-day moving averages of $2.165 and $2.109 respectively, while resistance sits around $2.60 with a psychological barriers at $3. Market predictions suggest XRP could reach between $2 and $4 by the end of 2025, depending on various factors including market conditions and ongoing regulatory developments. The most optimistic analysts are even suggesting that if multiple positive catalysts align, especially around June with potential ETF approvals, we could see XRP testing new all-time highs. Looking globally, it's worth noting that outside the United States, physically backed XRP products have traded for years. In Canada, Purpose Investments filed a preliminary prospectus in January 2025 to list what would be the world's first XRP ETF on the Toronto Stock Exchange. A green light from Washington would almost certainly trigger similar launches across Asia and the Middle East. As always, I recommend doing your own research before making any investment decisions. The crypto market remains highly volatile, but XRP's combination of regulatory clarity, institutional interest, and growing real-world utility makes it one of the most compelling opportunities in the current market. That's all for today's update. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Crypto Millionaires. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Share this video with your friends who need to know about these massive XRP developments. This is Brian, signing off. See you in the next one.